Oh yeah! Oh yeah, boy! Are you
No.
Let's get the carburetor.
Guys, Rad Performance here. So today we're gonna show you how we got this $50 marketplace quad and got it ripping on the same night that we brought it home. Stay tuned.
Alrighty guys, Rad Performance here. So we have a $50 quad in the shop today.
GY6 125 scooter engine.
GY6
It's a very generic China scooter engine. It's just a GY6. It's the 125cc with a big old torque converter on the other side.
Oh my god, look at that high performance, Rad Performance, freaking red. Oh yeah. Dude, I can't believe I've never even seen a red spark plug before. Who knew that existed? We are using the homemade jumper cables to jump the solenoid.
Let's see if this has better spark.
We are getting it. Oh yeah, here. Yeah, so we're just jumping it because why not?
Very, I don't know, check that out. Peep the spark.
Yeah, blue light, right?
Pretty weak, but looks like something.
Yeah. Interesting.
Very
To
interesting.
say the least. Right, this is the stock CDI box, right? Or is that whatever it is?
Fucking.
Yeah, maybe we'll get a
recent
new CDI
CDI.
next if we can't get it started. But I'd say let's pop in the new one and
Give her a go.
let's. Yeah, I mean that can't hurt, right?
No, yeah, wouldn't.
We'll do the same improved method. Dump in ether, right down the throat. Put the car back on for good luck. And so that we don't get a backfire directly in our face. And that's it.
So you should
Here, I'll hold it open on the throttle, if that even helps. Is the choke just directly down onto itself?
Yeah, but I think I can get it through.
Well, we have the nozzle, yeah, so that should work in theory.
Let's see. I'll give her some gas while you do it.
Alright, hype. Let's give her a jump ski. Interesting. Oh yeah. All right. Salvage CDI box.
And if it does get
Blue
going,
acquired.
brand new carb. You can put on it.
Nice.
Brand new carb.
Oh, Schmidt. All right. Out with the old, in with the.
There's supposed to be 4 wires going to this.
Hold on. Oh. Wait. Let's look down at like I don't. It doesn't look like there was a wire there beforehand though.
Weird.
It doesn't necessarily need to be. Yeah. There's no wiring elsewhere. All right. Well, that's good enough, as we say.
Should we dump more ether? Or no?
Yeah. I mean, this should still work just the same. All right. Let's hope the CDI box does the trick. Oh yeah, that's a good way of doing it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, boy! Are you?
No.
Let's get the carburetor. Mom, get the carb. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna run that back real quick because one time was not enough.
Give her some
There
throttle.
you have it, our $50. Alrighty, I got you. We may have to dump some more ether. Oh no, we don't have to dump more ether. Oh my god. Hell yeah,
Sounds
brother. No, this thing is perfect, dude. Nice, small, compact, not overly loud. Oh, this is actually going to be a mint ride. Alrighty, there you guys have it. This is your sign to go buy a $50 freaking marketplace quad for absolutely no reason, just because you can probably figure out how to get it running. Basically, we got this thing to pop over, so now we're going to need carb, air filter, and then the last thing that we're going to have to do is torque converter pulley and make sure we have some oil in it so we don't nuke it on the first day. Alrighty. Oh, heck yeah. So he's got the cover off. He's working on the torque converter. I just got this. Disconnected it using a pair of these ancient, old, and decrepit little right angle, but are probably, actually, no, they're not Snap-on. But they are made in the United States. Hype. Okay, so after we get that off, I'm taking off this little plate for throttle cable. I got the electronic choke disconnected. And then those are just vacuum lines that I probably don't need to care about.
Literally. Why is it vacuum
So,
lines on the
yeah, legit. But yeah, we're going to get the new one on here. Alright guys, oh yeah, we got that going back on with the belt. Just attach my throttle cable. There's a little vacuum line that goes to the intake boot. Hooked up my electronics. Oh no, actually I'm wrong. Look at me, Dumbo. This does not go. This is the freaking fuel puke. That wouldn't be great. GG's in the chat. Okay, guys, so we're gonna pop on this pod filter. Yeah, that's proper insertion, all right. Oh, oil.
It's on there.
Alrighty, that's some rad performance, all right. Okay, that's good enough. That's not gonna come off, probably. Easy enough, alrighty. Carburetor ready to go, and then we have our little fuel line here. We'll hook that up to the gas tank. Well, alrightski then, guys. This thing is starting to look like a quad again. I just made a nice custom high performance, rad performance, zip tie, fastened gas tank. That's not going anywhere. Bro's getting the battery mounted on this thing. We got throttle. We have spark. We have wiring. We're going to slap that seat on it. See what we got. All right, guys, and before we forget, of course, oil.
Come on. Nothing's definitely gonna come out of here.
See, I mean, I hope there's something, but I don't know. Maybe there's nothing.
It's probably all water.
Oh man, that's mint. No wonder why it sounded so good. No problems at all. I see oil. Oh, look at that on the floor. It's actually kind of brownish still. It's not even that bad. Oh, GG.
What is this? It's like a spring.
What the heck is... Oh, is there a filter in there?
Nice.
It's like, well, it's not like a real filter. It's just like a screen mesh. Alrighty. Just did a nice drain out. Tighten that back in. We're hoping that 0.75 liters is the oil capacity, which sounds about right. Give or take. Oh yeah. Prime. Oh yeah, the Pennzoil.
Yes, sir.
GG.
Thick ass oil.
Yeah, it's cold. Injection point. Yeah, hopefully that's enough.
This shit should work.
Oh yeah. You can take this thing. Yeah, we're good. Dude, this is unfair. $50. This is literally unfair. It's idling. Yeah, no, it's ready to go, yeah. Just literally keeping her going.
Is it actually idle?
It'll kind of, it wants to idle, yeah. Oh my God.
It idles.
Yeah, no, we're good now. Yeah. Yeah, it's just cold, real cold. Oh my God, that's too good. GG, mint restoration. There you guys have it, the $50 quad. There's only one thing left to do. Oh yeah, pop on the final touch. Oh my God, dude, this thing runs mint.
Oh Lord. Maybe the wheels are just that wobbly.
I don't know, yeah. Maybe if you meant something too. Oh, the one wheel is kind of shot, yeah. Is that what bro told us was bad? With this, I mean, hey, it's moving. Oh my God.
Shit. Might be the thing in the torque converter, one of the kickstart parts.
Oh, you're right, actually. Yeah, maybe something like that. It is not bad. The actual speed wobble?
With two people. Yeah, it was a little bit speed wobble. Because the tires are clapped.
Oh my, and they have flat spots too.
One things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna